guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jenny here today. I moved my room around a little bit. If you can see, my bed used to be back there and now it's right there. I know I've been slacking on my videos lately. I'm super sorry. Life is getting ahead of me. Today I am doing a look with Colourpop's collab with Zoella Brunch Date palette. Excuse my breakouts. In case you haven't already seen this huge thing. I love the packaging, it's so cute. And here's the palette itself. Oh my god, look how adorable that is. Here are all the colors. I'm sure you've seen it's been out for a little, quite some time now. Probably like a month or so. I wanted to incorporate the blue with my look today, but I will not be doing that. Mostly because I also purchased the Supershadows. So I'd rather use this with my look today. This one is in Bellini. It's more like a creamy, metallic-y type of thing going on. You see that? And the other one is more of like a glitter. I actually already used this one. I just couldn't wait. It was just so pretty. Here's the bottom one. So they look pretty similar, but once they're on, you'll see the difference. This one here. Maybe if I just do that. Yeah, do you see how it's more like glitter? And if you do that with this top one, there you go, you can see the difference now. This one's more like a shimmery shade and this one's just glitter. Okay, so I'm first taking that shade in Mimosa and I'm just plopping that down on my crease. Oh, it's a little more orange than I expected it to be. Same with the other eye. And with the same brush, I'm just going to drop it on the ground. I'm going to blend that out. Okay, now I'm going to take French toast on the end of my lid up towards my crease. It's a lot lighter than I thought it would be. I'm trying to pack it on and make it a little darker, but I mean, looks like that's the darkest we get, which is not bad, you know, it's still cute. But you know what? It's a brunch date. So why am I trying to go so dark? That's true. It's called Skinny Latte, which is in this heart right here, and I'm just going to place that my lid. Okay, so I'm grabbing the color with the brush. I'm not putting anything on it. I'm not using my fingers yet. I just want to see what pigment is like. Oh yeah. Pigment is looking good, baby. You can see that it's shimmery, but it's not like crazy, like what bam in your face, you know what I mean? I'm just blending everything out. So I think I'm actually going to use, what do you guys think? Maybe I should use this one, huh? Yeah, I'll use that one. Bellini. I forgot to name the other one. The other one is an OG. Bellini? Oh, mama. So I just wanted to show you guys that I'm trying to bring it all the way to the end here because I did go a little bit too far, but I'm just trying to blend it out here in the ends with the actual wand itself. And I'm doing that on this side as well. Yeah, do you see how I went a little bit too far? But it's fine, I'll just cover it up with a little bit of shadow right now. The same brush that I applied this color up top, I'm just blending lightly, just blending everything out. And then I'm going to go back in with French toast. And just put that on the end and blend. I'm just actually bringing it up here a little bit. I usually like to do that just because I feel like it kind of makes your lid pop more. So you can grab a smaller brush and just go right along the line. I'm just blending it out because it's cool, girl. Yeah. Okay, so I finished the rest of my face, and now I'm just going to take, what we gonna take, girl? I guess we'll just take the same colors that we used above. No, actually, I'm gonna take maple syrup. Whoa, what the heck? What just happened? I'm gonna show you. So I barely tapped it. Do you see that? It's like, you can't see that on the camera, but it's like crazy fallout. I'm gonna take French toast again with this brush and put that down below. So I'm just gonna bring it all the way across. And now I'm taking the OG shadow glitter one, and I'm just going to use a little brush. This off, and then I'm gonna put that on my inner corner. Okay. Black eyeliner. And we put in that inside. I'm going to use the Shop Miss AOA lashes. Curly. I'm switching to Live Glam's Most Wanted lipstick. Maybe this will match my look a little bit better. I'm going to use the Halo highlighter from AOA Studio. Oh my god, I thought that was the whole... It was just like the little cap. Things are $1 if you guys are familiar with Shop Miss... Oh my god, my hair was in my eyeball. Shop Miss A or AOA Studio. Shop Miss A's website has everything for $1, and then they have a brand called AOA Studio, and they have like the best highlighters I've ever tried that are under $5. No, it's great, honestly. It's really, really good. Yeah. Here is my finished look. What do you think? I know my hair is a little bit crazy. But what do you think? So here is my finished look. Yeah, I'm really digging Colourpop's shadows, these liquid shadows. I actually tried OG, the one that I put on my inner corner. I tried that on my lid yesterday and down here as well, and I loved it. It stayed on like all day. It did crease a little bit, like right obviously where my lid creases, because I did it above my actual lid, but you know, for the most part it was fine. No one really noticed. I love these things. I really hope that Colourpop makes more, because if they do, yo girl is buying all of them. You already know, because I love these things, and I wish I had shimmers for all different colors. I know that other people sell them, like, you know, Essence and Stila and stuff, but I don't know. I love Colourpop, so I'm hoping that they make more. Thanks so much for joining. Ugh, something was in my hair this whole time and nobody told me. I'm having a frizz attack, a freaking frizz attack today. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope that you like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.